Lower East Side Ecology Center started its e-waste program in 2003, and over the course of the years found that there were a lot more people bringing their materials in, and there was a lot of interest in having a more permanent facility. So as of January of 2012, we started our warehouse where people can do just that. My name is Macaulay Campbell. I'm the Director of E-Waste Operations for the Lower East Side Ecology Center's new e-waste warehouse in Brooklyn. E-waste is pretty broad. It's your televisions, your computers, your cell phones, and a lot of other things in between, printers, things of that sort. And the reason it's of such importance that it's recycled and processed in a responsible way is there are a lot of toxins within the computers themselves and other electronics. They're steel, they're your aluminum, and within that, the shell of most things, your stereos and your computers and things like that, that's where you find the rest of the circuitry. You find copper, and any number of materials in there. One of the other common materials that we get at the warehouse are CRT tubes, which are problematic because of the amount of lead that they have in them. So anywhere from 4 to 8 pounds of lead. But on the flip side, there are other commodities in them that are of value. So on the back here, you have what's called a yoke, and this is full of copper. In addition, there is a wire called a degaussing wire that runs the circumference of the tube, and it itself is full of copper as well. So after materials are dropped off at the e-waste warehouse, we have a partnership with a company called We Recycle, and they take and gather everything that we've bundled up and put on pallets and in the boxes, and they process it at their facility where they have a massive multi-million-dollar machine that will shred everything. And it's essentially taking it and putting it in one end, and it comes out the other end where you have your metals separated, your plastics separated, circuit boards, and everything else. The Lower East Side Ecology Center's e-waste warehouse is at 469 President Street in the Gowanus area of Brooklyn. So just go all the way down President, right at the end, we're at Nevins, and if you're taking the train, you can get the R to Union.